Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Krystal and today we're going to be doing another Target haul. Which one of you was responsible for keeping me out of Target and off Target's website? Because I went online and ordered some stuff. I had gone in the store and I saw this really cute top, not this one, another one I'm going to show you. And I was just like, oh, I have to have it. And they didn't have my size. All they had was extra large. And I was like, all right, I'm going to get on their website and I'm going to just like order that top. And then that turned into not just that top. And I'm not going to blame myself. I'm going to blame one of you guys. But seriously, like Target is my kryptonite for sure. Like I just cannot say no to Target. I wish I could, but I can't. So without further ado, we're going to jump into this video and we're going to talk about some really cute stuff that I got, because if I'm going to get too much stuff from Target, you are too. I apologize for the motorcycle. My neighbor it's nice weather. It's been crappy. It's been raining for like days, so I don't blame him for wanting to get his motorcycle out of the garage and ride around, but if you heard that, I'm sorry. Anyways, jumping right into the video. First thing we got is this top. It's Wild Fable. You guys know I love Wild Fable from Target, and this is no exception. I love this little top. It is so comfortable. You don't have to wear a bra. It ties up here, so obviously it's adjustable if you need it to be like tighter or whatever. It's a good length with high-waisted jeans. You're not showing any midriff whatsoever. So if you're someone that is totally against showing like midriff, then you're good to go. And it was only $8. Pretty sure it came in another color, can't remember, but as usual, everything will be linked down below, so you guys can order it with ease. You're welcome. Also tell your husbands you're welcome. Actually don't. I don't want them to know that I'm the reason why you're spending too much money at Target. Like, I don't want to be blamed for that. So, love this top. So glad I got it. It's an A+, 10 out of 10. Also picked up these jeans, and I know what you're probably thinking. Krystal, you don't need any more jeans. You've literally been like, you've been getting jeans like crazy. Yeah, I got another pair. What can I say? So, anyways, these are a great length. They hit perfectly at the ankle. Love that, because it is perfect for like sandals, flats, pumps, whatever. Like this length of jean is really nice for that. Also, I didn't get this hat in this haul, but this hat did come from Target, and it's universal threads, and they do have tons of hats like this. So if you're interested in this hat did come from Target as well. So you can, I'll try to link it if I can find it. If not, I'll link like a similar like style of hat if I remember. I'm not making any promises though, guys, okay? But I really love these jeans. These were $22. They are very distressed, and I know some people like aren't into distressed denim, but I am, and I really like these. They're kind of like an acid wash. They are a little bit more like not your traditional jean color or wash, but I really like them. They're super cute. They're comfortable. I like where they hit. I like here's my belly button. Like they hit right like on or a little above my belly button. So I really like that. I got a size 4 and these were $22. And again, these are Wild Fable as well as the top. So I really like these jeans. I'm glad I got them. They're super comfortable. They're not like skinny jeans, but they're not like baggy, if that makes sense. So I really like that, because I find it hard to like get jeans that aren't like skinny jeans, like so tight to the leg, that are also like not weird straight leg, that are like balloon pants or whatever, that just like whoof on both legs. So these are perfect, and I'm pretty sure they came in other washes. Not 100% sure, but be down below so you could check it out and see if it does come in other washes if you don't particularly love this one. All right. So let's move on to the rest of the order. I'm going to throw something else on, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I have on the same jeans, so Still Wild Fable jeans, size 4, 22 bucks. I do have on a new t-shirt. I don't know why, but I get in kicks where I just like, I'm like, oh, graphic tees, I love them, and I'm in one of those kicks right now. So I grabbed this graphic tee. I love Kiss. Some of you may not even know who the heck Kiss is. But they're a band. But I love Kiss, and when I saw this t-shirt, I was like, that is super cute. I have to grab it. It was only $12.99, and I got a medium. So this is how the medium fits, and I think it fits really, really nicely. It's just the perfect, like, oversized, but still not, like, too oversized look. So I really do like that. And also, this hat also came from Target, not in this little haul, but it did come from Target, and it is universal thread as well. They have really nice hats like this, and they're really well made and not too expensive. So if you're in the market for, you know, some cute little hats, I would try Target, universal thread. They have a really good hat selection. I also picked up these pumps. These are perfect for an outfit like this when you want to give it a little extra pizzazz. Instead of wearing sneakers or flats or flip-flops or whatever, you can put on a pump like this, and it just gives it a little extra something, and I really like the way it looks. So I picked these up. I got these in a 7.5, and these are a New Day, and if I remember correctly, they were $24.99 or $14.99. I can't remember. They came, like I said, I ordered this stuff online, and there was no price anywhere on them, I don't think. Oh, wait. No, wait. Hold on. Where did it go? Okay, hold on. Hold on. I'll just be down here in this bag. Yep, they were $24.99. I was correct. And like I said, these are a 7.5, which is my normal size. So these do fit true to size, I would say, because they fit to me just like a 7.5 would normally fit on my foot. They are quite comfortable because they have this chunky block heel. They are really easy to walk in, and it's not very high. So again, I could even wear these like just like out shopping and stuff and walk around in these quite a bit. They do have a little bit of like a memory foam type cushion on the bottom, so that is nice as well. I think I just mentioned this, but this is the brand A New Day. These do come in different colors as well, but I picked up the black because I knew I would wear these the most. Really nice, really sturdy, really good quality. Have no complaints. So glad I picked these up. These will be well worn, I can assure you of that. And, oh, okay. So I did pick up a bralette, which I am going to show you really quick. Here it is. It is the Krystal brand. It's a really thin, like it isn't lined. It doesn't have padding or anything, but it is really nice. This is what it looks like. It's got this nice comfy band right here that's still sturdy. The straps are not adjustable. It's not adjustable in any way. Like what you see is what you get. I got a size small, and it was only $8 if I remember correctly. $7. Sorry, I had to look at the tag. It was only $7, so that is a steal. I don't remember if they had any other colors, but I got it in black. It is very, very comfortable. I can hardly tell I have anything on, so it was a good purchase. I would definitely, like, this is something I would have several of, so if one was dirty, I'd have a backup to wear, because this is really comfortable, and you could wear this with a lot of stuff. Like, I have it on underneath this t-shirt, and it looks just fine. It fits like a bra would, but it's more comfortable than a bra, in my opinion. I hate wearing bras, like, you know, like a traditional bra. Can't stand that. I don't even remember the last time I wore like a traditional bra, to be honest with you. But anyways, I like that. I like this bralette for sure. It's super comfortable. With that, we're gonna move on to something else. BRB. Okay guys, I'm back, and I just wanted to show you this other t-shirt that I grabbed. It's just a Rolling Stones t-shirt. And, you know, nothing special. You see these like everywhere. This one was $12.99, and I also got this one in a medium, like the Kiss shirt, and these fit exactly the same. One thing I will give you a warning of that I have noticed in the past is sometimes with these graphic tees that you get in the women's section from Target, be careful washing them because they tend to shrink. So just be very leery of that. Yeah, I just wanted to give you a warning, because the last thing you want to do is get like a size and then it shrink down to the size under. So that's another reason why I got a medium. I mean, I'm not going to say that it's going to shrink a ton, but I just wanted you to be aware that I have had some graphic tees shrink quite a bit, and I didn't like wash them in hot and dry them on like maximum heat either. So just wanted to throw that out there. But yeah, I think this is super cute and just really easy. Obviously, these t-shirts are really soft. They're not super thick or anything like that, but they are quite soft and comfortable, whether it be lounging around the house, wearing it with jeans, or sleeping in it. Like, these are nice graphic tees. Can't complain at all. So let's jump into the next thing. Okay, so disclaimer, I would never wear these two pieces together. So I just want to throw that out there. Okay, so first thing we're going to talk about is this skirt. What do they call these? Like skater skirts or something like that. Regardless, they remind me of like old school like cheerleading skirts. I don't know if they still have like pleats in them and stuff like that anymore. But never mind the wrinkles. It's been in a box. Like, obviously it's wrinkled. But I got this skirt in white. I would never wear this top with this skirt. Just throwing that out there one more time. But I threw it on together because I was tired of trying on like one piece at a time. But alright, so the skirt I got in a small. Definitely could not get it any larger. Like, it would need to be a small or it would be way too big. It'd be falling off. And this skirt was $19. They do have other colors. I do know for a fact they have other colors. So I grabbed white because honestly I wanted the skirt and this was the only one that they had in a small. So there you go. I mean, I think it's super cute. It's like flirty, awesome. I like it. I would probably like wear like a graphic tee tied in a knot with this and some sneakers or something like that. Now, this top is the top that I saw at Target that they didn't have in my size that I wanted. So I decided to get online and order it. It is like this eyelash material and it's so soft. Like, that's what this like furry stuff's called, I think, like eyelash or whatever. It is so soft, so soft. I love this top. They do have this one in, I know at least one other color, I think maybe two. And this top was 15 bucks. I got it in a small and I just think it's adorable. I know it's not everybody's thing, but I think this would be really cute with a pair of jeans and some cute shoes. Like, I just think it would be really cute. I do not have a bra on with it, so if my boobs like don't look as high, that's why I don't have a bra on with it, because I've gotten to the point now where it's like, you know, my boobs are going to go where my boobs are going to go. And I kind of just like not wearing a bra if I don't have to. So this top is so cute, so comfortable, so soft. It's not itchy at all. So that's awesome. And I mean, $15 might be a little pricey for like a tank or whatever. But it's really cool. It's a statement piece. It's something like, I feel like if I saw this on someone, I'd be like, I like your shirt. It was really cute. So I got this to wear with jeans and, or maybe like denim shorts, but probably jeans. Yeah. So there you go. This is the shirt that started this whole Target try-on haul. Anyways, let's throw on, I think I have two more things to try on and then we'll be done. These two things are not going to match at all, but we're going to talk about them separately, so I'll be right back. Okay, so these are the last two pieces in this haul and then we will be able to wrap it on up. Okay, so like I said, these do not match. From the front it doesn't look that bad, but you know, from the back you can really tell it doesn't match. So first let's talk about the t-shirt. This is an oversized graphic tee and I got this in the size small medium. They had small medium and medium large, and this is the back. Like, this is the focal point, like the coolest point of the shirt. It's Blondie. I really like Blondie. You may not even know, if you're too young, you may not even know who that is, but it's just got like little skull and crossbone, little like lightning here. Her her name or whatever. It says Blondie on here. Super cute. I like this. This one was a little bit pricier. I'm pretty sure this one was 20 bucks, $19.99, or $17.99, as opposed to their typical price of $12.99 on their graphic tees. But this one did not have like the price on the tag, so I can't tell you for sure right now, but it will be linked down below so you can grab it if you like it. I just think it's super cute. I like a good white tee, and I also like the red on it, so I couldn't pass it up. And last but not least, we have these bike shorts. You guys know I love bike shorts. Bike shorts may not be your thing. You may hate them, but they are super comfortable and super easy to throw on with a big t-shirt, and you're ready to go. So I will never give up my bike shorts, at least not anytime soon. But these are from Wild Fable, and these were $12. I think they were a little bit pricier because of the fact that they are pink with these little roses on them. So I just thought these were a little bit different than your normal like gray or black bike shorts. I thought they were cute. I got them in a size small. They fit like a small. They fit really nicely, so no complaints there. And yeah, so that concludes this Target try-on haul. Guys, like, I need to stay away from Target, but I can't. Like, I just love Target so much. And I know so many people can relate, especially moms. I feel like Target is like the place where moms go to just like take a break from their family, their kids, their husband, their whatever, and just get a coffee and walk around and let Target tell you what you need. So, you know, I'll never give up Target. My husband already knows if I'm going to go in there, like, there's going to be some damage done almost every time. But I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, like I've already said, everything will be linked down below, so you guys can pick up anything you saw. Lickety split, as easy as you can. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Go ahead and do that if you're here, and especially if you made it to this point in the video. Obviously you enjoyed the content at least a little bit, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are just a bunch of shopaholics and fashion obsessed guys and gals over here. Come and join us and be a part of the fam. I don't think you'll regret it. I have some awesome people in this community already, and I'm so happy that everybody's just so kind and sweet, and I'm just so thankful for you guys. You guys are awesome. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video so I know you enjoyed it and want to see more like it, and leave any suggestions for videos you want to see in the future in the comments down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Twitter. I don't really tweet that often, but every once in a while I get a wild hair up my ass and I decide I'll tweet for a little while. So you can follow me on Twitter. All those links are in the description box, as well as my Macy's storefront if you want to shop some of the things that I love from Macy's. I do have that. I know some of you guys use it, so if you don't know what it is, it's basically just like a curated storefront that I have made based on my picks from Macy's. I do a lot of sale items on there, so if you follow me on Instagram, I will post in my stories things that I've posted on my storefront that are on sale and all that stuff. So that is a great way to be able to find sales without you having to do the work. So go check that out, and don't forget to ring that bell so you're notified whenever I upload new videos and you don't miss any new content. I am talking with my hands a lot. I'm going to fly away. With that, I'm going to go. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.